Brotherz here. Today we are going to prepare drumstick soup. Ingredients which we need are 4 drumsticks, 1 onion, 2 tomatoes, moong dal, 2 teaspoon oats and some garlic. First add drumstick, tomatoes, oats, garlic, and moong dal. Now add 1.5 cup of water. Next add the spices, jeera, turmeric powder and salt to taste. Give it a good stir. Cover the lid and turn on the heat. Wait till 3 whistles. Now let it cool down for some time. Cooling down, let's separate the drumsticks. Now remove the seeds from the drumsticks. Let's strain the mixture. Before grinding, let's add the separated drumstick seeds. Grind the remaining vegetables. The paste is ready. Add the ghee to the cooker. Next, add the boiled mixture. Finally, add the paste. Let's pour the pepper. Garnish it with some curry leaves.